Founders in OnPassive. Try to imagine how Mr. Mufareh, the creator of OnPassive, is feeling about now. He has created a company that will completely revolutionize everything about business on the internet and off the internet. This weighty responsibility he is bearing because he knows how successful OnPassive is. We as founders must develop the mindset of Mr. Mufareh in order to appreciate what we have our hands on. Mr. Mufareh and his family have given us this extraordinary gift called OnPassive. They know with all their hearts that OnPassive is close to helping massive amounts of people to a better financial life. Mr. Mufareh knows that OnPassive is a finished product. He is the one who came up with the idea of sharing wealth with others. When companies all over the world focus on making as much money as possible for themselves and their families, Mr. Mufareh has done just the opposite. Yet some are pushing him to launch OnPassive now. Some say that the delay of OnPassive's launching benefits the competition. How is that when they do not have what it takes deep inside to implement any of the things that Mr. Mufareh has built into OnPassive? The missing ingredients that these companies do not have are extraordinary love, compassion, caring, and love for people. You can see it when Mr. Mufareh speaks. Every word is heartfelt. Every word is like he is talking to his immediate family, with so much love that cannot be measured. OnPassive is an incredible company and the competition is going to have to deal with it. When it comes to being ethical, when it comes to being a person who has integrity, when it comes to caring more about people than he cares about himself, that's extraordinary. And this is who we have as the CEO of OnPassive. We have the best person ever to head a company, regardless of what kind of company it is, whether it's online or offline. Because no one cares about people. All kinds of people, no matter who they are or where they live, like Mr. Mufareh. He treats each one equally with love, respect, and caring. OnPassive is just about to open. But Mr. Mufareh is not going to open OnPassive to the world until every T is crossed and every I have been dotted. OnPassive will be bulletproof. Nothing is going to be able to take OnPassive down. The preparation that Mr. Mufareh and staff have built into OnPassive has made sure of that. Rest easy. John White, USA. A Bill Must Production.